How to update your iPhone using a Mac. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Let us first understand the devices and the things that you will need in order to connect your MacBook to your iPhone. So make sure you have a Mac that has Catalina or newer version, and make sure that you have USB cable or Wi-Fi sync enabled, and make sure that your iPhone battery is 50% plus, or you can also simply keep it plugged in, and also ensure that you are using a proper working internet connection on both your Mac and your iPhone. Now, go ahead and firstly plug your iPhone into Mac using USB cable and then unlock your iPhone. Here you will see the option for trust this computer, so tap on the trust option you see there and enter your passcode. Now, on your Mac, simply go ahead and open Finder from the dock and then select your iPhone from the left side toolbar under the Locations tab. Here, make sure to tap on the General option and then tap on the Check for Update option you see there, and then go ahead and tap on the Download and Update option. Make sure to wait until update finishes and do not unplug your iPhone until the update is finished. So, this was about how you can update your iPhone using a Mac. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.